shift started around 8. Another shift began. Steel-toe cap boots and coffee cups, the dress of the working man. And she walked on to line 4 with a smile that lit the room. A little bit of sunshine there beneath the factory gloom. Born and raised in England's rain, but her roots stretched far away. She carried all her family's hopes every single day. And I was just a married man trying to survive, till I found a reason once again to feel a little alive. To the sound of the machines and the conveyor rolling by, we built a world from stolen words and dreams we couldn't try. Just a few short minutes on a tea break every day. Two hearts found each other, but they couldn't find a way. Oh, the sound of her voice still echoes in my mind. The right love at the wrong time is the hardest love to find. Her husband seemed a decent man, kind in every way. She never spoke a bad word about him any day. My wife and I had built a life, a flat for her and me. But somewhere in the passing years, the spark had ceased to be. No hotel rooms, no secret nights, no promises we keep. Just conversations after work and memories buried deep. Then one November evening, with the rain against the pane, she whispered words she'd held inside, and nothing was the same. To the sound of the machines and the conveyor rolling by, we built a world from stolen words and dreams we couldn't try. Just a few short minutes on a tea break every day. Two hearts found each other, but they couldn't find a way. Oh, the sound of her voice still echoes in my mind. The right love at the wrong time is the hardest love to find. In the loading bay one winter night, the cold cut through our skin. She said, I love you more than words, but I can't let this begin. I can't leave the life I've made or break so many hearts. Some stories aren't meant to last, no matter how they start. To the sound of the machines as another shift rolled on, she handed in her notice, and before I knew she'd gone, she said maybe in another life, then turned and walked away, leaving only memories that never seem to fade. Oh, the sound of her voice still echoes through the years, a melody of what might have been, and all our silent tears. The right love at the wrong time can leave a lasting scar, but some hearts keep on loving, no matter where they are. Where is she now? Is a thought often in my head, and wonder how things might have been after all the things we said. Then I hear in my mind all the factory noise and their old familiar schemes, and see her standing there again among the sound of machines.